Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Miami local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire our help with your long-distance move means you get more than just transportation. We offer the full range of moving services you need. Here are some of the things we can help you with: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Deciding to hire a Florida moving company requires a look at the benefits. For many, the cost is justified by the time saved and the energy saved. When you hire a local moving company, you won't have to do nearly as much work. They can pack up everything, handle the heavy lifting, and even unpack your things at your new home or office. Hiring local movers like 3 Movers can help speed up the moving process. If you want to get settled into your home sooner, the right local movers can help. You might need a few days or a week to pack and move. Our team can get you moved in a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Miami moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.